Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is discovery of ancient inscriptions in Telangana. Why in news? The Archaeological Survey of India has documented 11 ancient inscriptions in Pedapalli, Telangana belonging to the Satvahana dynasty. Written in Brahmi script and Prakrit language, these first BCE 6th CE inscriptions offer key insights into the Satvahan era and early Deccan politics and culture. The inscriptions confirm Telangana is part of Asmaka, one of the 16 Mahajanpadas, highlighting its historic role and early ties to major dynasties. Satvahan dynasty. The Satvahanas, 1st century BC to the early 3rd century AD, succeeded the Mauryas in the Deccan and central India, with early rule centered in North Maharashtra, Upper Godavari Valley, and later expanding to Karnataka and Andhra. The official language of the Satavahanas was Prakrit, and their inscriptions were written in the Brahmi script. The Satavahanas, originally a Deccan tribe, became Brahmanized with Gautamiputra Satakarni re-establishing the Varna system disrupted by Shakas. The administration included the three-tier feudal system consisting of the Raja king, who could issue coins, the Mahabhoja second-ranked rulers, and the Senapati military chiefs with local authority. The surge in trade is reflected in the spread of Roman and Satvana coin in the Krishna Godavari region. Coins featured Prakrit inscriptions and symbols like ships with two masts, elephants for strength, lions for power, star patterns, Chaitya and Dharmachakra. Iron tools and paddy transplantation boosted farming, making the Krishna Godavari Delta a major rice region. Cotton production, noted by Pilni, author of Natural History, was a hallmark of Andhra. The Satavahanas are known for their rock-cut architecture with notable examples like the Karle Chaitya and Nasik Viharas. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following languages and scripts are used in the 11 ancient inscriptions discovered in Telangana? Sanskrit and Devanagari, Prakrit and Brahmi, Pali and Kharoshti, or Tamil and Tamil Brahmi? Options 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, or 1 and 4 only. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.